This is a one transistor amplifier with a solar cell and a laser excites with the regular light onto the amplifier. So if I take this piece of cord here, this earpiece, and I move away, what I will be eventually doing is trying to create an amplifier that detects vibrations. Right now, I'm just trying to see if I can fire a laser at a solar cell and then run it through a circuit with a CDS cell right here. The CDS cell isn't working as described. I can move this like this and try to align the laser beam at the CDS cell. When we turn this on, doesn't really make any difference. But I'm creating a solar cell optic device with a beaker to determine how much energy I can input with the laser and the solar cell technology to basically create an oscilloscope effect. Weird, eh?